Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 10th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the euro dollar does look like it is trying to break down finally. If it does break down, then there is a few possibilities here. I think this possibly could stretch out into like a one, two, three down, and possibly, maybe this is like three waves of A, and this is supposed to be a wave B, and then it potentially goes all the way down, makes a bigger wave C before it actually continues the uptrend. Definitely a possibility we need to keep in mind, even though the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I left my Fibonacci on here yesterday. I mean, price definitely did end up respecting the 78%, did a little bit of a stop hunt, but definitely did respect it. Went down, grabbed this support, made a little bounce, and then went down again. Very, very nice little trades. Hopefully this does keep on going down. That doesn't just continue to range. Hopefully we are going to see lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. If that's the case, then hopefully we can get in again short for the continuation of the downtrend, potentially a wave C on the much, much higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.